unfortunate. Okay. China is going as per a game plan, colleagues. Let's get that very clear, right? China is going by a game plan. They are trying to divert their attention of their inner public, and that's what most politicians do. If you're in trouble, speak religion, speak politics, try and attack other countries. So China is doing that deliberately, very barbaric attack, right? And I condemn it with strong words. But yeah, it's left to us now, right? What we will do. There's a special session coming up on Reliance and China, right? And I've got the guest speakers lined up for Reliance also, right? This week is going to be good. My disclaimer clause, I start 7:30. Good evening to all of you all. This is my disclaimer clause. Edited completely by Gani, my well-wisher. I love him, my brother. This session is purely for educational and understanding purposes only. And Telegram group is for action. Simple. So our Telegram group is for action. That's a closed group. Nobody can complain, no? So this is a public thing, right? My son suddenly gets Buddha because he thinks I'm going to start shouting now. See, Rohan is smiling already. This Buddha, they believe will calm me. I don't know. But okay, chalo. They believe that, so God bless them. Dr. Shrikant, my guru, I owe it to you, sir, whatever little I am. Hitenji, love you. Within 1 minute, you changed that logo and you made my life again. To Dr. Shrikant is to always say that, inspire others. Education will bring about silent revolution. Education will bring about silent revolution. Nowadays, in these times, I remember him more often, maybe because I'm growing old. But he used to tell me a lot of things and I used to be scared going to him because he used to shout at me a lot because I never used to deliver up to his standards. Can you imagine, right? But today, whatever little I am is because of Dr. Shrikant, Parimal Merchant, SP Jain colleagues, students. Rohan is my dear student. He's also a super leader. Consulting clients, they also do their bit. Okay, they ensure my kitchen fire is lit always. My respected teachers, my son, Rohit Beta, he's a rock star. Suresh ji, Shanti ma'am, they're all one team. Sandeep ji, Rahul ji, within days they upload this team. Right, so this Menon Mantras, this uploading is because of this team, right? My wife, I always owe it to her because last minute preparation of slides, she helps me out and she sees the pressure. So I switch movement at 7:20 till 7:20. You should never see me. You will see if there's something different, right? Yes, my knowledge partner is CA Abhay. Love him, young boy, doing very well. Respected Santosh sir, namaste sir, right? A very, very successful person. And his son, Rohan Betek, absolutely brilliant boy. I've been noticing him for the last 7 months. And I'm not praising because he's there. I used to ask questions and you say, ye kiya. Then I went back to Samir sir and checked the background. He said, आपको पता नहीं? OMP का है, संतोष जी. I like sir, OMP एक ही बैच पढ़ा है, एक ही दिन पढ़ा है. बोला नहीं, मैं पहचान कराता हूँ. They are from a tier 2 city in Ahmednagar. And I want to send a message to all of you all here that, it really doesn't matter where you come from, a tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 3 city. You will rock if you have the vision. So that is the message for today. I got Bhaskar Bhai last time and God bless, his videos have got very good views. Rohan Bhai, right, Tunga, all of us said hospitality industry gone out. Rohan came in calmly, proved nothing is going to go wrong. Then we had the Agripreneur, God love him. That was amazing. Sponsored by Grow It. Some of you will ask me, what is that name of the sponsor? So I'm repeating that. Agri is the next big thing that you can hear it from Sir himself. When Sir and Rohanji start speaking, they'll tell you how they are doing well in these times. Most important slide. Again, I keep appealing. This will continue till the last day of my... I don't know when the day is going to come. I'm going to keep going like this. Dharma Sir is joining the mission now. Shekhar Joshi sir is coming in because some of you all said we need stronger balance sheets. So I need to get the experts. So experts are coming. Monday, the experts will come. Right. Shekhar Joshi sir, very respected company, very, very respected cost accountant. I'm sorry. Brilliant person. Deciphers balance sheet like anything. Dharma sir, Dharmarajan sir is on the board of 6-7 companies. He's coming on this platform. Okay. You ask, I deliver. And I just open. My net worth is my network. My net worth is my network, simple. Or my network is my net worth, whatever you say, right? So if I say people come, Hiten sir is going to come, Samir sir is going to come. I'm going to get all of them. Muradian sir, I'm going to get him definitely. That's going to be a major session. Again and again, I see this. I feel I've not done my job. I should keep doing it, right? This young boy and his dad have also contributed, but they said don't mention my name, so I'm not mentioning the amount. Please continue. Rajshri Sai, young mother. a kid of about 3 years age, my sister Rajshri Sai, old mother. She herself has a kid. She has 2 companies to run, one in Chennai, one in Mumbai, and still she's doing this. She's a company secretary, advocate, MBA from IIM Kozhikode. I didn't even know all this. Now I know. I know this lady here, CA Ashlesha, who is my wife's company or other educational institutes, chartered accountant. Through Ashlesha ji, I know Rajshri Webb, and my life is changed. Right? If she can do so much, right? When you ask me, sir, why don't I sleep? I get inspired by these people. It's as simple as that. You can see me on Telegram at 4:30, at 12 o'clock in the night. So you can calculate how many hours I sleep. Okay. And the answer is simple. Get India back again. My first sponsor, I'm always obliged to you, respected George sir and Paul. My second sponsor, I have to talk about them. Very soon I'll be talking about them. I have to give them the right time. Yes, the lady entrepreneur, right? We all met her. Speedo was last time, the Parsi and the Pi combination. Love you all again. National integration. Yes, Saurabh, God bless you, Bate. Manas was telling me how you have come back from nothing, and Manas had only praise for you. God bless you, Bache. I pray to God that nobody goes through what you have gone through in life. But I also pray to God that if they go through it, they should come back like you. You are a comeback man, my son. Manas was telling me all about you. I didn't know your badge. I started speaking. God bless. Right? Today's sponsors. Again, from Tier 2 part of India. So this is the linkage. Tier 2 part of India. It's Prasad Khattav's family. That's lovely family. Right? Respectful Shripad Khattav. I've just put it as it is given to me. And I realized it was a mistake. I should have written Mr. and Miss. I'm sorry. But this came from Prasad. So I apologize. It's totally wrong. I'm sorry. I should have written Mr., Mrs. and Mr. and Mrs. I apologize publicly. Right. And next time when you give me these slides, please ensure that you write Dr. Mr. It's important for me. I don't like calling anybody by first names. If you see, I say either dear or I say G. Okay. Shripad ji, thank you, sir. Smita madam, namaste. Prasad is my student. Parul, I have met once, and you will see why this jacket that will be solved very soon. They are absolutely into turnkey liquid discharge. So very, very clear, right? Not a single drop of wastewater goes outside. Not a single drop. That's what Prasad is very, very comfortable with, right? And he is a chemical engineer himself. Father is a chemical engineer. So if he says not a single drop, we have to accept that. And please note, they are a global player based in Pune, right? And I can suddenly see Santosh ji looking into the screen. Prasad, you will get a call very soon. If Santosh ji looks like this, means there is business coming. I can see that. Okay. I love him, right? Our plants recycle millions of liters per day. I am very clear. I want business to happen. I'm very clear. That's why I'm talking about the sponsors, right? All developed in-house and numerous awards globally. Look at the number of industrial applications these kids have got. I'm proud of you, my son. I'm proud of your family. He told me that his family started getting into entrepreneurship in 1920 when they started manufacturing matchboxes. And he's originally from Goa, right? So I kept talking to him to understand him better. These are all the industries doing very, very well. So this is what his company does in a nutshell. Wastewater, beautiful slide. Recycled water, solids. Nothing goes out. Everything is used. Okay. Everything is used everywhere. They are in Turkey, Uganda, Zambia, Colombia, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Indonesia, Bhutan. Prasad, if Gani likes you, you will be in US also. That's all I can say. Right. Yes. Now you understand why this jacket. So now see this and you will understand who is that handsome guy sitting beside the bridegroom. Now you'll understand the jacket. So that is me. I rarely attend marriages, but this boy kept insisting, and I was in Pune those days. So I went and attended. And suddenly I realized everybody was looking at me and not at the bridegroom. So I'm very sorry, Prasad. Today I apologize publicly that I stole the show for some time from you. You're going to kick me for this. Okay. So that handsome man is me, right? Now I'm younger, much younger. I know all of you are laughing at me. Don't write anything on the chat. I'll kill you. Okay. Right. One more joke. I don't know if it's a joke or it's a tragedy. So this is what was done. They said, stay home. And suddenly now they're saying, go to work. I don't know what has lockdown achieved. I don't know, but I'm not saying anything about anybody, unless I'll get another call from my friend. So yes, I think the lockdown, possibly we have prepared ourselves better. I don't know. I really don't know, but it looks very funny, this entire incident, to honestly very tragic also. Yes, on the very platform, I had blamed Dubai. I said that Dubai is, I was just informing you all that Dubai is going through a very bad patch. So Indian remittances will be hit. That was the context. So I've got, since I spoke something about Dubai, my brother-in-law who is based out of Dubai sent this to me. And he said, yes, you are right. Dubai is not doing that well, but watch this video. So we have a lot of comebacks in life, bete. So Dubai is in a bad shape. All of us know that. But look at this video. So here we said that Dubai is in a bad shape, but Dubai has come back. It looks like, I'm not sure it come back, but then it's all about leadership. So here I want to raise some questions in this platform. When we go to foreign countries, we tend to behave in a particular manner. Why is it that when we are in India, we don't behave in that manner? I'm still surprised, you know. So when we go out, we are very disciplined, or rather we are better disciplined than what we are in India. So maybe it's all about cultural values. It's all about leadership. But this video was a shocker for me because my brother-in-law is still based there and he didn't like it that I criticized Dubai. So he just sent it. He said, yes, they're in a bad shape, but then it's all about leadership also. Having said that, dear colleagues, thank you, the sponsor for today. This is India. I am a proud Indian. So we have been saying something that, you know, this is not wrong. This is all gone wrong. COVID. Yes, we are in a bad shape, but I think businesses are standing up. TV market is revived after 2 years. In fact, last time I showed you which Mujibji was still joking about. I showed you something from Ramayana, which is a big hit. That means the Indian roots are still going strong. Mahabharata is still a big hit. I love Ramayana more because it shows about sacrifices, right? Much more about sacrifices, right? I personally like that. Farmers area much higher. Rohanji and Santosh sir will speak about that. Global economy, new expansion cycle. So not everything is bad. Yes, we are in a spot of bother, but we can't sit back and say it's all over. No. Wait. There's still more to come. That's my guest speaker for today, a young man and his father. They are the famous Paras Group. I will leave it to him to speak. It's a part of his slide. It's a B2B organization. And the way Santoshji says the word goodwill, I'm amazed. This gentleman, we have a program known as OMP, Owner Management Program. Santosh sir got people from Nagar to attend. And he used to drive all the way down just to attend our classes. This is what Samir sir told me. And I was like, sir, this is amazing. And now when sir speaks, you will understand. And he will not speak with any preparation. He'll speak from his heart, as he has done earlier also. Okay. Love a great person because this is how Rohan introduces himself. This is the values I was talking about. So when I talked to Rohanji, my young kid, he said, we are a joint family of 15 members. And I got a lovely WhatsApp from Hitenji, who said, sir, आजकल आप के प्लेटफॉर्म से जरा बताओ ना, झगड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. It's right there on my phone. So he says that, Roji says, grandpa, father, 2 uncles, 5 brothers, management of 8 members. I think this is a Indian family business success. Together in success and failures. I'm sure Santoshi is going to tell you, मेरे 3 project fail गए, लेकिन हम लोग झगड़ा नहीं किए. One word we should never use in business is, आपको बोला था ना, I told you na, that you should never do. A businessman cannot fight external competition and internal competition. And that's a message for everybody who's listening. Whether you are an employee or a parent or a son or a wife or a husband, I think these words, once you take a decision, stick to it. You can't come back after 3 years and say, I told you then. I told you then, but we had taken a decision. No. This is the killing part. In challenging times, we know who is ours. They say that I'm saying this is WhatsApp hurt me a lot. I couldn't get anybody better than Santosh ji to speak. I was last time hurt by the suicide. I got Mujib ji to speak to you. And I'm going to put that as an exclusive clipping on Menon Mantras. He used to travel business class. And today he has only a Wagoner. But he's still happy. He's more happier. So, आपको बोला था ना ये नहीं करना है. See, if you cannot live amicably, then separate amicably. But then if you can live amicably and grow, that's it. We had the 2 brothers fighting. And the younger one went all over painting the elder one. Elder one kept keeping quiet. Indian Express, Times of India. The younger one kept giving all articles. Sweat equity was given to this minister, that. Elder one just kept quiet. The elder one just kept quiet. And the mother came and stepped in and said, okay, you take this, end of the matter. They signed a non-compete agreement by which, right, Mukesh Ambani could not get into telecom. A baby that he had started in India, and they gave it to Anil Ambani because mother said that he gave it and said non-compete agreement. And then once the non-compete agreement was over, today Mukesh Bhai came back strongly. And all of us know what is Jio. We're going to have this special case study on this platform. I'm trying to get somebody from Jio itself, and one of you all will connect me there. उतना मेरे को श्योर है मेरे बच्चे कनेक्ट करा देंगे. I want somebody from Jio itself to come and speak to you. I don't know how I'm doing these things. आप लोग कनेक्ट कराते जा रहे हो, right? I'm a very small person, but it's just spreading like anything. And finally, when Anil Ambani was about to be jailed, who bailed out Anil Ambani? Huh? And I'm not criticizing anybody. We know who bailed out Anil Ambani. That's family affection. Please, if you can't stay together, right, best is to stay together. But if you can't, then it makes sense. Yeah, I don't say that everybody should go together. Then split amicably. But don't use words like, ये आपको बोला था ना, ये गलत हो गया. Business में गलत सही हो जाता है. Thank you very much. This is my social message for today. I now give it, that is my mission after my guest speakers speak. Thank you, dear Rohan. Thank you, sir, for coming in. Rohan, bete, over to you. I'll stop screen sharing. My entire audience is ready to listen to you, young man. Piyush says, thanks to the entire team of Menon Mantras. Bete, Saurabh, can you write if you can hear? Because Piyush Daga suddenly says he can't hear me, and I think I'm going full blast. Can some of you at least write whether you can hear me or no? Yes. Yes. Thank you. Love you, Kalyanpur. I hope you have got Piyush ji also. Yes, please start.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, for all your blessings, encouragement, inspiration, and all the love that you keep on showering upon us. So I'll start with sincere thanks to all of our gurus, Parimal sir, Menon sir, all our SPJN faculties, my colleagues, of course, my great family. Like they rightly say in SPJN, and I 100% agree to it, that all the faculties are handpicked from the industries and they are expert in their respective fields. So we started our business. I'll start my presentation with sharing about my family values, culture, and our business, how we grew over these years. So this Paris Group was started by my grandfather in 1968. And today we manufacture about 1,500 products. So this is the chart which shows that all the product range. We started manufacturing bullock cart and tractor driven equipments in 1968, and then we got into the plastic industry. We manufacture our products mainly in 3 variants, that is agriculture sector, construction, plumbing, pipes and fittings, and then third is plastic molded articles, household range. We also invested in windmill energy and solar energy. So we have invested and have 9 megawatts of generation from renewable energy. And as you can see in chart that with every 2 to 3 years, we kept on adding new range to our basket. And when I say new range, so suppose if it's 2001 plumbing pipes and fittings, so it's not just a one product, it's the range of, we need to actually make 300 to 400 molds for completing the entire range from 1/2 inch to 4 inch of the fittings. And that's a really huge investment every time. So the most important learnings that I had after joining the business, it's been just 1.5 years.
Yes. Show that slide. Na? You may never know what business will come your way. I'm very keen. You all should have business within each other. I'm very clear about that. And that is my selfish interest. Yeah, please continue.
So it's been just 1.5 years that I've joined the business, but I realized that family bond is one of the most important if you are doing a family business. You really cannot work well and focus well into business if there are problems in your relations in the family. And the second thing is financial discipline. No amount of strategies can help us in getting out of the business if we do not have financial discipline. We have our competitors who are really very good, from a great families, have very good and reputed brand name, but due to somehow, unfortunately, due to mismanagement of finance, they are right now in huge debts and are not really doing well. Then we have presence pan-India, and our greatest inspiration in our family is our grandfather. So sir is 78 years old and he's still into business completely. Like the tractor driven equipments and farming equipments that he started in 1968, he individually looks after the entire business, right from purchase to sales, marketing, everything. And he's 78 years old. No one in the family interferes in that particular segment. He individually handles whole of it. And today, even today, every year or in 2 years, he keep on launching new products. His R&D continuously goes on. So that's our inspiration, that at this age, the courage and confidence with which he works is just phenomenal. And when we started our pipe section in 1968, 1996, the first industrial shed that we built, we just started with 2 machines. But the size of the shed was actually 10 machines, And all our factories that we have established for different product range, all the factories, this was the vision and confidence they had on the product as well as in their business and ethical practices, that they knew that what is the potential of market and how much it can grow. See, already there was huge scope of expansion in that shade. And then we kept on adding new factory shades and adjacent plots. And we never found problem of that it is too constricted to expand our production capacity. So with that vision, they started the business itself. Then I'd like to share the growth factors that I see. We are very close, like Shar already shared, that we are closely held family of 15 members. And we have my grandpa, first generation, second generation, my 2 uncles and my dad, and third generation, we are a team of 5 brothers. So we are all into business. Due to the goodwill and trust that we could build in this past 53 years, it got very easy for penetration of new products into the market. So our existing dealer and distributor network pan-India, it got really easy, and due to persistence and consistency in quality and service, it was very smooth to launch new products. Wide range is our biggest strength. Back in 2016, in this past 5 years, we have automized all our plants. The main reason was to get the consistency in the quality, to remove all the possible human errors, and then reducing the reliability on manpower. Then service has been very keen and important part of our business practice. So within 24 hours, or more than 95% of our orders are dispatched from our factory premises. And we have our own fleet of vehicles, so there is no interruption in the service, even if there is no availability of transportation. Then loyal employees, very old. So some employees are with us since past 40 years. And even distributors, my grandpa started that. Even the second generation of our employees as well as distributors are still with us. So that is the relation that we could build with them. Then in 2000, we invested in windmill energy. That was the time when no one was really even aware of this technology. So when my dad shared that there is a huge government subsidy in it and I'm planning to invest, would you like to join? So his friends that time laughed at him that is it even possible to make energy out of wind? So that was the time when there was absolutely no awareness. And that time we spent 1 crore, we invested in windmill energy, 5 crores. And even in solar energy in 2013, when we invested, hardly there was anyone in Maharashtra, any industry that was actively participating in solar generation. And we built our first solar plant in Solapur, 45 crores of investment. So all our today, as apart from solar plant, all our factory roofs are equipped with solar energy. Our head office as well as our homes are equipped with solar panels. And then optimum utilization of space and resources has always been very key part of the practice. We were among, back in 2008, 2018, we launched a wide range of cleaning products. So we are among the very few companies in India that actually started. Today, all the current market leaders in this particular range are outsourcing the material from China. But 2 years back, we were among the first few manufacturers in India who started manufacturing in purely virgin material and all in-house production. So now I would share what happened after post-COVID.
Earlier slide, please. If we can go back to the earlier slide. So
Yes,
this slide is very important. Of course, I judge every slide before it comes on this platform. One is, I think there is something which is called as sibling partners in theory. And what they say is brothers can get along well together, but cousins cannot. So this family is an exception to that rule. Because you see, there are a lot of these myths going around. One myth is first generation builds, second generation grows, third generation destroys. So I think these are all myths which we are propagating, right, among all ourselves. So first thing is cousins. Next time somebody tells you cousins don't get along well together, please mention about Paras India. Second very important thing, and I want to mention this because I had the pleasure of chatting with Sir. So he was telling me that, Menon Sahab, kabhi na, there is a time when there is a scheme which will come, and that scheme you should utilize. I will after Rohan speaks, Santoshji himself will speak. That time when you don't use that is now gone. So this solar thing, Sir was kind to tell me that one of his friend went and attended a seminar and came back. He paid the money, some 25,000. He came back and told Sir कि ऐसा कुछ है solar में. Then that guy left it, but Sir realized that there is some potential in that, and he invested money. So please understand, within Government of India, today you have schemes. That's why I got Aditya last time. I said, I don't know whether a Saurabh or a Piyush or an Abhishek. I've been told Abhishek Bihari's dad will now get in touch with Saurabh. I'm so happy. This platform is facilitating that. So are you going for Agritech? That's a new thing. Government has given you a scheme. So Sir used that scheme. So today if you say solar, I'm not sure it's the right thing to do because that is gone. Incidentally, after Sir invested, Sir said, next year scheme band ho gaya. And that window is closed. He's sitting right there. I'm not saying you can ask him. He said this. Wo scheme band ho gaya. Then his friends came and said, kar sakta hai kya? He said, abhi kya karega? Ho gaya scheme. So please understand, there are schemes which comes in, which you should utilize, is my point. And that is where business is about keeping your ears and eyes open. We always say that, I know all of you know that resources lie outside. Now, one of the resources, government itself. So government comes and says, boss, please go and invest here. Right, as Ketan sir would say now, when he comes on this platform, atomic energy, please come and invest here. That's the way to go. Wonderful. And third most thing important in this particular thing is what he said about his grandfather, right? How he said, even today, he is in absolute control. That's passion. Bhaskar sir did not show you all his face. But do you know something? He called me the next day and said, आपके बच्चों को और एक चीज बताओ, पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अलग नहीं रहना चाहिए, कि वो लोग पर्सनल लाइफ पे कुछ और करते हैं, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ पे कुछ और करते हैं. एंड भास्कर सर एक्चुअली कॉल्ड मी टू से दैट. वो बोल दो आप, मेरा वो रह गया पॉइंट बोलने का, कि आप पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल एक साथ नहीं रहो. डोंट शो डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स. आई एम श्योर वन ऑफ द सक्सेस बिहाइंड दिस ग्रुप, success factors behind this group is grandfather and the bonding between the family members. Rohan, you're doing very well. Please continue. Your slide continues. Am I going to start talking after Santoshi speaks? Continue, please.
I forgot to mention, sir, they eat in one plate. All the three brothers eat in one plate. And I've never seen my dad and my younger uncle ever arguing with my elder uncle. What he says is the last word. I've never seen them arguing ever. So what happened after Corona? So today I'm sharing here because in May I was casually talking to Menon sir over the call and he asked me about how business is going. So when I shared
Guys,
it was...
I've been on fire. COVID is challenging times. I've never faced this in my life. I owe it as a duty as a teacher to reach out to people. I'm not doing any great work. Gunny is doing a great work from logging in from US. I am a teacher. I'm doing my duty. So these were my students and I kept calling each one of them, sab theek hai na, sab theek hai na. And this boy said he's doing very well. And I was like, sab log bol raha hai, halat kharab hai, ye bachcha bol raha hai, sab acha hai. That's a case study. And that's why Krishna Rada has mentioned very well in one of the stimulus package lectures, I called Santoshi. That was on SPJN platform, I called Santoshi, right? So please understand, not everything was bad during those days. Now listen to him. This slide shows it all. Yes, bache, go ahead.
In April, Nimesh Rathod sir, when he took our lecture, he already anticipated, he told that there is, rural India is cash rich and 60% of population belonging to agriculture sector. We immediately saw as soon as our...
So their entire focus was on agriculture. Their entire focus was on agriculture. Again, I'm repeating, today's session is to inspire you all to look beyond tier 1. I know this thing has got hung, but doesn't matter. I'll take over. Tier 2, tier 3, that is where the action lies. Agriculture. Farmers are cash rich. If you look at my slides also, I've tried to give you a story there. That was not everything is bad. Now, this group could retain 95% of their labor. I know there's been a technical problem, but I've discussed this slide with him. How could you retain 95% of labor when labor is running away? Simple. Bonding. That's why I show you slides about how you should bond with your employees, right? The next thing that they kept saying, right, if you ask me, the next thing that they kept saying is zero debt. Now, please understand this group went through a very bad turmoil because they were over leveraged at one point of time. And then they realized their mistake, made it zero debt. Third thing, right, they have got a good distributed network. I don't need a slide because I've gone through this case. They have a good distributed network. And today, this boy tells me that he charges advances from his distributors. He charges advance from his distributors. And that is what got me going. What is it that they are doing extra, which others are not able to do? Because if I talk to 10 people, 8 are saying we are struggling. 1 is saying okay, and 1 is saying super. So what is that? Put up your slide, bache. I'm talking about your slide only, Rohan. Please understand that entire thing that came in was, are we looking at something, right? It was on slide number 6, bache. You finished 6, you're going to 7, right? The second last slide. Please understand, you are looking at something much beyond than what I could visualize. As a teacher also, I couldn't visualize this was happening. Back to you, son. I just stood in for you because my audience time is precious for me. Please go ahead.
So, of course, there was little dip in the plumbing sector and household sector, but now even they have very good demand. But we came in a position where the people who used to, our distributors who used to pay in 60 and 70 days, now we have bought that under 30 days. And it really worked well for us. Then we could retain 95% of our laborers. We have very good quarters for them in our premises and all the safety measures were taken. Continuous interaction was done with them because first challenge was how they will go. And secondly, there was risk while traveling that they might get affected and what will they eat even if they reach their home. So with that understanding and providing all the safety, they could get a sense of security. So we could manage to retain 95% of our labor force. Then we paid full salaries, not only to our laborers, but even the top employees that we have. The basic idea was, if we just keep on looking at our expenses, their life, their survival itself is dependent on that amount. So that was the basic idea. Then again, due to having own fleet of vehicles, even our competitors were equally having very high demand, but due to transportation issues, they really could not supply that well.
Sorry to interrupt you, Bache. Backward integration pays. That's the message that is coming up from this platform. Backward integration pays. Simple. I'm not saying that it is all of you should do that, but think about it, Bache. You're all business gurus now. So they are saying competition also was there, but they didn't have vehicles. And even if those guys, logistics, I was talking to Chintan Barbaria, wonderful bacha from Nagpur, God bless him. He's saying, sir, I'm struggling today because I've got good orders, but drivers utna nahi mil raha. But knowing Chintan, he will manage. He's a great guy. The point my friend, my dear colleague is making on this platform is, right, having his own set of vehicles also helped. Okay. I'm putting it as an example of maybe allied integration, not backward integration, allied integration. Continue, bache.
Yes. Then we are a zero debt company. And the basic idea is, even if the growth is not that exponential, lekin raat ko shanti se neend aana chahiye. That was the basic message I've always been hearing from my family.
I hope you have got this message repeatedly from this platform. Business is about peace of mind, right? It's not only about money. Yes, please continue, son. You're doing wonderful.
Then sourcing of raw material, my dad himself looks after the purchase. So the minimum, so there is a strong hold in basic sourcing of raw material. And due to being very strong reserves, being cash rich, we could maintain good stock of raw material as well as finished good, because anyways, this was the season time before the lockdown. So we already had our raw material stocks piled up. Then, sir, COVID taught us that no, it doesn't really matter who is rich and who is poor. It is, the nature is going to hit everyone. And I felt that there is COVID, there is cyclone in some part of the country, and then there are earthquakes, there is locust attack. It's so many unfortunate events. But sir, I think karma really plays a very big role, and that is the only thing, the good deeds that we do, that can save us. So in our city, we did not get really affected with neither cyclone nor the earthquake nor locust attack. We believe in giving back to the society. So we donate as a charity to, there is one charitable hospital called Anand Roshiji Hospital in Nagar. So it is so popular that from people from all over Maharashtra comes there. And due to the rates, it's basically, the idea was to serve the poor people who cannot really afford the good healthcare. So due to the prices that we have over here, all the neighboring hospitals also have to cut down their prices, because we are really aware about what are the cut practices that are going around in the medical industry today. So my dad dedicates 1 hour of his day every day to that hospital, and he looks after the administration and the new projects.
I think that's completely wrong, because when I called sir, it was 10 o'clock in the night. So it is not 1 hour in the day, it is 1 hour in the night, son. So you better stand corrected. So sir is smiling, he knows that. So it is just that he gives back to society. 10 बजे मैं phone किया तो बोला sir मैं hospital में हूँ, मैं 10 बजे आपको call करता हूँ. I'm not lying, okay? And then I realized ये क्या. Today I realized what is that hospital thing about. I asked him सब ठीक है? And he said सब ठीक है. खाली मैं hospital में हूँ. And I was like क्या हुआ? Now I know. Yeah, go ahead sir. Your last slide. Perfect.
Now we are focusing on export market. So in November, in October, we had SPGen contact in, I'm still pursuing GFMB, and our Dubai contact was in this last October. So we started focusing on exports, and dad just told me that you extend your trip after SPGen and you just go into the market. We did not have many contacts at whom we are going to meet. He told, no matter, even if you don't get the business, I want complete information from you that our products goes in which all countries and who are the competitors for us. And then I just went into the market, and sir, I was so surprised that every single day he kept on giving me contacts. That is the amount of networking, the strong relations he has in the industry, that every single day of the trip, he kept me giving new contacts that today, tomorrow, you can go meet this person. and then second day you can go and meet this person. And when I went there, I did not have any contact, barely one, and I wasn't even aware that if that person will be able to help me. But as soon as I reached there, as my journey started, new contacts kept on coming, and I met so many people. And then immediately we participated in Big Five exhibition in Dubai in November itself. And we had target of 4 to 5 containers every month initially, and then reaching to 10 containers. So today we are achieving the targets of 4 to 5 containers. Due to lockdown, there is disruption, but definitely we will come back to 10 containers very soon.
Class. Hello class, are you looking at exports? Exports is exempted from MSME definition. Exports comes at 0.25% interest cost. Exports are the way to go ahead. The world is looking at somebody to replace China. Forget complaining about the government. Are we ready? Business guys, are we ready? That's the question I'm asking. Forget the government. Forget Gadkari ji. Forget everybody. Are we ready? I'm getting my kids ready. And look at it. He's ready. Absolutely ready. Please continue. Superb.
Currently we are exporting to Dubai, Africa, and Bangladesh. I'd like to talk two words about my dad. Sir,
that's on my request.
The amount of enthusiasm he has, the amount of positivity, the willpower, the discipline, the value for his own time that he has is just, sir, I feel that just living by his side, it's very easy for anyone to become a leader just by looking at his daily routine. So, sir, he is spiritual. He looks after the hospital. He looks after the business. And he does justice to every single activity that he does. And just, I don't have words like to express about him.
So that was very much needed. Rohan, let this remain. Some kids are already trying to get in touch. They have asked me for your contact details, and I want networking to go on. So the last words I wanted Rohanji to speak about his dad, because we all respect him. In fact, you can look into the chat. Kids will start talking. Santoshji, my first question to you, sir. Very simple, sir.
Yes, sir.
जब ये business start हुआ था, and when you started this business, sir, I want 10 minutes of your time, sir. And at this time I said, Santoshji will not speak. He will sit behind Rohan. Rohan would speak. The first time only Santoshji spoke. This time I said, no, I want a young leader to come in, and all of you all, right? You can now watch. If you found Rohan good, you can see the blockbuster person coming in. Santoshji, जब भी आपने start किया था, sir, आपने सोलार के बारे में कुछ मुझे बताया था. आप प्लीज जरा मेरे क्लास को बताएंगे सोलार के बारे में जो आपने बताया था, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स और जैसे आपने उसको एनकैश किया, द वे यू एनकैश्ड इट, रेस्पेक्टेड सर. प्लीज एडवाइस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सर. दे आर वेटिंग फॉर योर एडवाइस.
Solar project that come in existence in 2013. That time REC, government used to give REC per unit per one REC. And REC cost was rupees 150 to 350. It used to vary as per the need of government. And that time project cost was almost 7.80 crores, 7 crores, almost 7.80 crores. And nobody used to dare to invest in solar because it was unknown. Nobody was confident about the solar, how much energy, what means payback. So many things were there. But in 2013, in first stroke, we invested almost near about 20 crores. And in the next year, immediately again, we invested again 30 crores. And today, I would proudly to say that today in 2020, our total investment is free now. Onwards 21, we'll start our fruiting, fruits will start. Means whatever investment we done, that all will be clear and fruits will start. Same thing we did Mount Root Solar.
Sir, one sec. So, we call it as payback period. So
payback, yeah.
Clearly says he looks at payback period. So what is payback period? How soon will my investment pay back?
Sir, payback earlier investment was huge because it was almost near about 8 crores. Only REC was the benefited. But after 1-2 year REC gone out. Means government stopped giving REC, but at the same time that panel cost, inverter, whatever the investment we used to do, that reduces and that come up to 5 crores. But at the same time REC stopped. Then so many government rules changed. Apart from that, so many problems arises, but solutions, we were having solutions. And across that, we fight with government, we fight with so many problems. And today, everything is now routinized, normalized, and 100% we are taking the benefit of our solar. It's 100% captive consumption. Means that all solar generation which is in Solapur, that 100% debit credit banking, that MSCB Solapur, we give to the MSCB Solapur and we take from Ahmednagar MSCB. That is the banking.
So that's what we call as an electricity bank.
Yeah.
The electricity bank, the successful business entrepreneur is telling us that, you know, Solapur mein wo karta hu, I do it in Solapur and I get the benefit in Nagar. As simple
In
as
Ahmed, yes sir. Yes sir. That is called captive consumption.
Sir, one failure, if you can, I'm sorry, I have not prepared you for this. One failure that you had, and what lesson did that teach you? Would you like to tell the youngsters? Because they are going to face failures very soon, sir. Right? So what is that?
Three T's we always utilize in our business: time, talent, and treasury. First, we give time, 100% time. Whatever the good things we have to come, we study with so many failure people, and we study also successful people. Today I was observing some in our field. 2-3 companies are near to bankrupt or almost they are stop their production. So my accountant was saying, sir, why you are watching this? So I told where these people are failed, from there we should learn, or we should see what exactly the blunder these people have done. And that is our strategy. So first time, 100% time we give, we study, we go in the market, into the market, we come across the people who invested in that. Then treasure, time, talent, 100% we try our talent to utilize. We appoint consultant in that. And then treasury, we utilize our treasury, because time, talent, and treasury, these T's are sophisticatedly if we utilize 100%, I don't find any failure, because whatever the projects in last 20 years we launch 100%, from day one, we got the success, and we started our networking. First of all, whenever we about to launch the product, same day we see that how our network will develop. At the same, because means simultaneously go hand in hand, we develop the product, at the same time we start our networking also. So I don't find any failure will come.
One last question, respected sir. Working in a joint family, how do you feel? How do you feel when you're working in a joint family, sir?
Before he tells, sir, his day starts at 5:30 a.m. and it ends around 11 p.m., sir. And yoga, pranayam, exercise, and then giving justice to every single activity, he has done it all, sir. And he has closely read, I don't have even counts, we have a mini library at home, and he has maybe have read more than 200 books, sir.
Amazing, sir, amazing. My last request to Santoshji, sir, before I request the kids to start putting it on the chat, please respect the colleagues who have come, the seniors who have come. One message to the youngsters of India, sir, who are out there facing these challenging times.
First thing, no, never, not. Don't keep in your dictionary that no, never, not. No, never, not. Because these 3 words stops our total energy. And second thing, don't work for money. Work for work. Work for work. Don't work for money. Because all the time, if you keep money into the mind, then work won't come. But if you keep work into the mind, then automatically money will come. Because don't run after money, money should run after you. This is because unless and until you work hard, you give justice to the work, then automatically success is bound to be there. There are only 2 ways. One is success and second one is failure. And we have to work for only success. And every day in the morning, every day, you should ask yourself that what next? What next is the big change you can do in your life. That I do. Since last 25 years, more than 25 years, I am having a habit of this diary. Every morning or evening, whenever I come to any work, that I am having that habit. I am habitual of writing the whatever work that I always write into the diary. And second day, I see that before sleeping, I have to finish that all work, whatever I wrote.
What next? Every day, sir asks a question. this is the message to all youngsters here. What next? Keep asking yourself the question, what next? I have one more message for all of you all. Right? In case you are facing troubles, please remember this too will pass. I want...
Sir, one moment, I would like to add one more thing.
Please.
In our joint family or in business, what kids make the blunder, when he come with some study or some, तो वो क्या समझता है कि अपने बाप को चूतिया समझता है कभी भी. मतलब मैंने वो सारे फैमिलीज में ये देखा है. लेकिन since childhood we give our training to our kids that boss is always right. फिर मेरा बॉस मेरा ब्रदर का बॉस मेरे फादर, तो उसमें उनको कभी सिखाने का नहीं. दैट इज माय मतलब हैबिट कि पिताजी को भाई नहीं सिखाएगा, बड़े भाई को मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगा, मेरे को मेरा छोटा भाई नहीं सिखाएगा. तो वॉट एवर वी से दैट इज ऑलवेज राइट. और उसमें फिर वेयर फ्रिक्शन विल कम एंड डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज देयर. तो किसने व्हाट work is to be done, who, that already is decided. So I don't find any friction single friction in our total business.
Thank you very much, sir. Here are the chats for you. Krishna Rana from Platinum writes, great going, Rohan, superb, Santosh sir. Bothra, one of the leading conglomerates in the country. So that's the first chat for you. Jay sir, who is also a virtual accounts team. Really good and inspiring. Saurabh ji writes for you, what a session, amazing learning, super leaders running a joint family business. By the way, sir, Saurabh has faced a lot of heat because of the joint family, but he still writes that this is a great learning for him. Jay Shah sir again writes, sir, no, never, not is the key takeaway. No, never, not. Kabhi nahi use karna these words. Now, Ritesh ji is saying one more thing, this is there, they are taken away. Work for work. Gani from US is writing, boss is always right, or elders are always right. Ultimate rule. Right? Elders are always right. Great inspiration, Nilesh sir. Shreyansh Bachcha Mera writes, great session. Harshari Race, sir, very good session. And there is a question for you, sir, from dear Krishna Rana, sir. Right? Sir, I want Santoshi, sir, you have to take it. This is from my kid, Krishna Rana. Can you throw some light on agribusiness in India and its future? Right? There's a question for you, sir.
Agribusiness?
What is the future of agribusiness in India?
There is no competition in agribusiness. Sir, absolutely there is no competition in agribusiness. Our total background is 100% agricultural only. And we are taking the fruits because we have taken a lot of efforts to develop this agricultural business. Every nooks and corner of the Maharashtra and of the India, we are having our customer. And before development, at the time of development, we see that where our customers are locating, and that we taking into the consideration to our customer, end user, and then we develop the products. Take the example of our milk can. That all 100% that milk can earlier people used to make in steel or tin. Now it is 100% transformed in the plastic, and in crores we are selling milk cans per annum. Even in Tagari, that is called Gamela, we are having more than 60 types of Gamela, Tagari. And that is Paras Miracle household article. And that every nooks and corner you will find our Tagari. And bucket, that is unbreakable. You know, on 10th floor, if you fill up the water in the bucket and you put it on the road, 100% we are confident that nothing will happen with our product. So that with that all confidence, we tried our level best to develop the products, and that fruitings now we are 100% getting.
No wonder, sir, as one of my kids, Krishna said, you are one of the leading conglomerates of the country. Nitin Chuk, my dear kid, he says experience counts.
Sir, one moment, sir. One moment, I would like to add one more thing. Always क्या होता है, always people see that in others थाली में others business में लोगों को लगता है कि बहुत profit है उधर और अपने business में profit नहीं है, लेकिन that is 100% wrong. We should eat, whenever we eat, we should always look at our dish. So like that in business also we should watch our business 100%. Unless and until we give justice to the business, then only business will give justice to us. So 100% we should focus in all area of our business. Success is bound to be there. So don't look at others' business. concentrate on our own business 100%, because whatever good things or bad things we know about our business, that we'll never get that good or bad things from others' business. So we should not change the business. We should focus the business.
So yeah, don't look at others' success. All right, focus on your own business. There is a lot of opportunities. Of course, you can diversify, nothing wrong. But then the point that the senior is saying, he has only diversified. Right. The point is saying is do it logically. So
one more thing.
I've got you into action now. I'm so happy. Yeah.
Last 4 or 5 years back, I had been to China. So one gentleman was with me. तो मैंने पूछा कि क्या है आपका ओनर नहीं आएगा साथ? मैंने बोले ओनर ने ऐसे डिसाइड किया कि इतना लाख का अमाउंट रहेगा, जितना इन्वेस्टमेंट रहेगा ना वो सिर्फ मैनेजर लेवल के लोग करेंगे, बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट ओनली आई विल डू. So same day, I thought that this gentleman is going to close his business, and that is happened in last 2 years back. He has stopped the business, because in business, every nooks and corner is important, but every single penny is also important. Or whenever we invest, it may be 1 lakh, it may be 1,000, or it may be 1 crore, because that all products or that all machineries are complicated to each other. We can't say that ये small amount का है उसका कोई importance नहीं. That is wrong, 100% wrong. So whatever we are going to invest, that all complementary to each other, and that is subjective. And 100% we should give justice to at the time of purchasing, and we should see that the existing technology we are buying with good price, and that our logic is 100% right. And that gentleman, what I gave you the example of 5 years back, that gentleman who told that 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs machinery I don't purchase, my director don't look at him, they purchase only big thing, and that was the failure. So my all students or my all colleagues, I would like to say that every single penny is important for business, every single machinery is important for our business. So 100% we should give justice to at the time of purchase all machineries, and we should involve in that instead of our manager or other people involved. But we have to be also the part of the game. Thank you, sir.
So this is exactly what Bhaskar sir was also saying. So there is a theme running here. So Bhaskar sir said, मैं stand करते तभी भी business के बारे में सोचता हूँ. And a very successful entrepreneur like Santosh ji is also saying that was एक रुपया count कीजिए, वो important रहेगा, right? Wonderful, sir. Sir, you can see that excellent session. My sponsor has thanked you, right? So I'm so happy. My sponsor is happy. So there is money being collected for Hunger Collective, sir. So you have come and given your time. It's going to benefit some poor person. We're going to feed him. Of course, you have also donated. Saurabh, sorry I didn't write this time. I just got enamored by this. So I'm sorry. Next time, just remind me. I'll definitely put it up here. Yes, sir. Thank you, Menon sir. Sir, again from Krishna, Platinum, Kishore Shah, right? Harsh is saying, what a great session. Many thanks. Rohan, great going. Again, Platinum. Parth is saying something, sir. Right, pure gold. Hats off to you, sir. Very well said, sir. One question for Paras. Right, what question, sir? How to keep motivated our family members who are part of management, as motivation to family members is a tough task. So how do you keep everybody motivated is the question, sir. So if you could answer this, I'll be happy. How to keep every family member motivated? Nilesh Shah says, penny saved is penny earned. Thank you. Yeah, Arun ji ka question is, sir, how do you keep all family members motivated?
Sir, our behavior, our study, our time, whatever we give to the business or our thought process, that all accumulates, and then that confidence gives our family once we start telling to our family. And once they come to know that whatever he is going to say, that is going to happen, then automatically that motivation doesn't require, automatically everybody will start in that direction, and they will say, why, yes, you do whatever you wanted to do, we are with you. Sir, 96 का one small thing I would like to share. 96 में एक प्रोजेक्ट था कि जिसमें एक मशीन का कॉस्ट था 5 लाख रुपीस और एक मशीन का कॉस्ट था 80 लाख रुपीस. तो उसमें सेम मशीन में सेम प्रोडक्ट बनता था, लेकिन इसमें सोफिस्टिकेटेड था, इसमें प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट भी कम था और आउटपुट भी बहुत था. तो जब हमने फादर से शेयरिंग किया तो फादर स्ट्रेट वे टोल्ड, whatever money you want, that I am ready to give, but I am not going to give my time in your business because I don't have that time. And sasta lo bar bar, महंगा लो एक बार. So you go for big business, big machine. So 80 lakhs machine, he had a stroke to 1996. That was the amount was very huge. The machine was totally imported. Raw material sources were very limited. But that time we invested 80 lakhs machine, whereas other machine was available in 5 lakhs. बट फादर का एक ही सब ये था कि सस्ता लो बार बार महंगा लो एक ही बार सस्ता लो बार बार महंगा लो एक बार and that was our right decision that one decision gave the total transformation to our group.
So big lesson for us today, सस्ता लो बार बार महंगा लो एक बार. सर अभी इसके ऊपर मेरा ट्रेडमार्क लग गया, अभी मेरे क्लास में यूज हो जाएगा. ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, thank you sir for your time.
Thank you very much sir, given us the opportunity. Thank you very much sir.
Thank you. I too thank you sir, you're such a busy person, you came for my students, all of them are very happy sir, they're all saying thank you yes. You to you, right? I will continue for 10 minutes, it's important, right? So one big question that comes up in family managed businesses which I have no answer to is should we share everything with the ladies in the house? So here I've got two opinions which I don't know which one is right. Some people say that no, they should not know everything. So I have been told this, I don't know which is right. I'm as confused as you all. तो ऐसा बोला जाता है in some communities कि दुकान में आग लग गया, वो बीवी को तभी मालूम पड़ता है जब ये इंश्योरेंस का चेक आता है. So दुकान में आग लग गया, बीवी को तभी मालूम पड़ता है जब ये इंश्योरेंस का चेक आता है. That means the lady of the house does not know anything. Husband is saying, no, keep her separate. Don't involve her in business. I don't know if that's right. Another way of looking at business, I believe in the second theory is, no, let them also know. No? They should also know the travels. They should also know the troubles in entrepreneurship because they are part and parcel of the journey. You can take your choice, but I believe to a second pool. So I come home and say, okay, this is how it is, right? So, but the fact is, some people believe there should be a division between work and life, right? I leave it to you all, right? It's just a point that I'm raising with no solution, please. I'm now going on to my last slide because the mission now continues. Last 3 slides from my side, I've not done it, right? My mission continues. Now we are going to build stronger balance sheets. My mission is we are going to work together. We are going to work stronger balance sheets. So Telegram, now you can keep talking about interest rates. I will keep answering. But I'm going to put up everything about stronger balance sheets. You'll keep getting formats, everything from me. And don't worry, it is free. Okay, I think you all like this word from me, no? Okay, so I'll start putting up the formats. Because my mission is very simple, stronger balance sheets. Sunday is personal finance. Monday, we are being joined by a management guru. Mr. Shekhar Joshi is going to come. He's going to tell us how do you build up systems, how we are going to have stronger balance sheets. The mission starts now, stronger balance sheets. Respected Anjay sir, you mentioned that in the Telegram group. I accept it with all humility, right? So first thing what we need to do, we started today. We are not, this is just going to be a continuing journey. I've talked about right bank products, proper interest rates, that's done. Now we need to talk about cash flows. You have to project against cash flows and cash outflows. The format will come to you very soon. And immediately monitor it. Monitor this. What you are forecasted, is it happening or no? We are going to talk about inventory. So I'm telling you the plan, what we are going to do. Okay. Inventories, we are going to talk about ABC analysis, VED analysis. We're going to have fun. We're going to have real fun. We're going to talk about debtor aging, why it is important. How can you reduce costs? What are the expenses? And this is that slide that I put up on Telegram for you all. So this is where the journey will start next time. We are going to talk about this starting Monday, managing cash flows and yes, expenses. Do your homework, colleagues. Please do your homework. Please share experiences. It's not only about interest rate. Interest is one of the costs. There are various things we need to work together. We need to build this country, and a country can be built only through successful business. And a teacher's job is to educate. And I will now start getting on to building stronger balance sheets. This is my mission with you all. I want to work with you all together. We have to build stronger balance sheets in your company so that you understand what is success. I don't know how many of you are going to list yourself on a stock exchange. That is your choice. How many of you are ready to play the valuation game? You are ready, I'll connect you. Mujib is a dear colleague. I'll connect you. Okay. If you're not ready, no problem. You can still build a strong balance sheet. You don't need to get listed. The Bothra conglomerate is not listed, but they're still doing well and they're diversifying year on year. So this is where we are going to talk next time. I'm going to continuously chat on Telegram. Today, I may take something on Telegram. slightly exhausted, but I've charged up again now, right? And this is the slide I've already put on Telegram. We're going to discuss this point to point, end to end. We are going to discuss each of these line items. I owe it to you all kids. You have made me whatever little I am today, and I'm going to give back in abundance to you all. I stopped my class for today. We'll have the solutions and discussions on Telegram, Menon Mantra. Hitenji, I know you don't like it, but I thank you very much. You just said, sir, karenge kya? And I said, okay, I didn't even know. It just happened. I said, okay. And this kid just took me on WhatsApp. Then suddenly he tells me, chal nahi raha hai, 256 members cross hua hai. Let's do Telegram. And now life has changed. Thank you, bete, for changing my life. I know you don't like it. You are a very shy person, but I owe it to you. I didn't know Telegram also, right? Yes, sponsorship invited. We continue. People are still dying of hunger. My work has not stopped. For my students, for hungry people, I still invite sponsorship. The discount is on 1,000 rupees. You can still contribute 11,000 and come on the platform. I've got 3 more sponsors already lined up. I'm going to put their names there. I'm going to talk about them. I'm proud of you all. You're making a difference to the poor people. Rajshri Sai, thank you very much. Rajshri Sai and Captain Aditya are now trying to reach out to the Mumbai Dabbawalas. I think that's very, very important. Captain raised a very valid thing. The people who fed Mumbai are today dying of hunger. How can we let it happen? How can we let our brothers die in Orissa? She's already reached Orissa. How can we let our brothers die in Tamil Nadu? How can we let that happen? How can we let our, right? So today Rajshri Sai was telling me that 300 policemen in Pune Pimpri district do not have raincoats. How can we leave and that's what we say, these guys take bribes. No, not everybody takes bribes. I said, go ahead. It's not only collective hunger movement. If it is about providing raincoats, do it. Please do it. We owe it to these colleagues who have been working for us. I introduced Captain to you all. So please understand the task is immense. I look for support from you all. Right. This is always the same slide. Please be in touch. I'm more active now, but now I'm going to put all the formats on Instagram, right? Because that has 1,400 members or something. So I'm putting all the formats on Instagram. My discussions will continue on Telegram. Rohan Bede, one last time, I want you on the screen to say thanks to you and your lovely dad, your successful dad, your spiritual dad, and a great human being. Rohan, I just want one prayer to God. I hope you become just like your dad. At least not in terms of business wealth, but in terms of spirituality. I love you, Santosh sir. I pray to you. I am saying this publicly. I'm enamored by your success, but more than that, the great human being that you are, sir. Thank you very much. Rohan Bete, God bless you. Thank you, class. God bless. Right, we continue. Those who want to leave for dinner, please leave. I'm taking questions. Thank you, sir. Thank you very, very much. So now we stop. So please break for dinner. It's late for you all. I'm going to take questions from dear kids. Thank you. Thank you, Rohan. Thank you. God bless. Those who want to break for dinner, please go ahead. I will take questions from kids if there are any. Ma'am, give them some time if they want to break, and then I'll take questions. Let's go on to chat. The questions are fewer now because I'm answering most of them on Telegram, and I'm happy of that. But still, if there is somebody who's facing trouble, I need to help them. Mohit was very upset today, and he is right in getting upset. Right? My son is again playing with this thing, so he's confusing me as always. Strong financial, yes. Strong financial statements happen by design. I will ensure that. Share everything. Yeah, Gani, thank you. Share everything with family, but do not get your mood from office to home or vice versa. You said it, and my son suddenly looks at me. Gani, you have put me into trouble. I'm now in deep trouble thanks to you. Okay. Saurabh says, don't buy cheap machines. Buy best machines which will last forever. You miss your grandfather. I can see that, Saurabh. God bless. Any questions, friends? I'd love to take questions. If you want, you can unmute yourself also. Now that people who are want to break for dinner, right? Who break for dinner, they have gone. Please come and. How would you make companies backward integrate? Akshay is my lovely boy. Great business, supported by great employees. He always keeps talking about his dad. Incidentally, Monday's sponsor is Akshay Kalyanpur and his lovely wife, who is now serving society and his parents. And he calls his employees as entrepreneurs. Answer to that, Akshay Kalyanpur, is very simple, bache. When you say backward integration, it is something that you would need, right, to keep you going. For example, what the Bothra conglomerate, I like that term, Krishna. decided as logistics is going to be the key word. So they did backward integration. If you look at Dhirubhai Ambani's story, he kept on backward integrating till he went into oil, right? And his son decided to get into diversification. So if you look at Mukesh Bhai, he started with textile trading, then manufacturing of textiles, then DMT, PTA, then oil. So he went backward chain, end to end he went backward, right? So you start and then keep moving. Okay, isko banane ko kya lagta hai? There. Isko banane ko kya lagta hai? Ye. So and so forth. One more term that we use is forward integration. I'm going to get the guru of strategy on this platform. I promise. Hiten is my brother. Professor Hiten Muchala, great guy. He'll come on this platform. I promise you all. Forward integration is who is using my products. So go, let's start doing that. Okay. Dhirubhai is a visionary. He did both backward and forward integration, dear Akshay. But Mukesh Bhai has done something even Dhirubhai could not think about. He has done completely what is called as unrelated diversification. And he just rocks. Mukesh Bhai has just rocks. I think the current list is among the top 10 richest persons in the world. I'll show it to you all when it comes in. So please understand, but backward integration is do what your supplier is doing. Forward integration is do what your customer is doing. And unrelated is, okay, that's a new future. That's a new sunrise. The Bothra family decided to get into solar. That's unrelated if you look at it. But if you look at it, it's also backward integration because they need electricity all the time. Akshay, did I answer your question, son? Yep. Ma'am, you can unmute them because, right, I would love to talk to them, right? You can unmute
sure,
them if you want to speak.
Yeah, whoever are raising their hand, I can unmute them. Or I unmute everyone?
Don't unmute everybody, ma'am. Whoever raises hand, because then 3 or 4 people will speak together. I love listening to their voices. They are my kids. And anybody, those who wanted to break for dinner, right, it's done. Anybody, any questions, please? Hitenji, your telegram has helped me. Love you, bache. Okay, thank you very much. Sunday will be personal finance. Financial goals. Please get your family members. We're going to have Harish Menon back. He's going to define the steps in financial planning. And we are going to step by step, we are going to show you how to do financial planning. Monday will be Shekhar Joshi sir. We are going to show you what all you should do to build a strong balance sheet. Okay, so that's where the corporate finance sessions will go now, right? How to build stronger balance sheets for a stronger India. That's about it from my side. Yes, Harshal Bete, I don't rock, bache. Y'all make me rock. I'm very clear. Y'all make me rock. I am what I am because of y'all, because of colleagues like Gani who just care for me. I can't say that. Everybody is surprised. How can he sleep so less and be so energized? The energy comes from y'all. I don't know what is happening in my life, but I know I'm enjoying this and I'm doing my bit for business and society. Yes, thank you very, very much. Thank you all of you.
Excuse me, sir. There is a question on our Q&A session.
Yes, I will take that question.
Being a young member looking forward to join family business, what would your mantra to avoid friction and get along?
The best way to avoid friction, bete, anonymous attendee, I don't know why you're saying anonymous, you don't want to hurt somebody, is to learn from experience. So many times I've seen youngsters when they join our course, and let's say I teach them something, they go back and fight with their parents. Ye dekha nahi aapne. And I don't like that. The first thing I tell them, bache, is that, don't fight. Their attention was something else. Their period was something else. For them, banking was fixed interest rates. For you today, banking is about negotiations. So the way to avoid friction is very simple, bete. Respect seniority, but also express your opinion. As a very young leader says, Sumit Kabra, I love him. He says that very well. He says, मतभेद हो सकता है, मतभेद हो सकता है, मतभेद कभी होने नहीं देना, मनभेद कभी होने नहीं देना. So if you are going to have discussions and arguments, do it. But मनभेद कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. Moment it gets into मतभेद, then it becomes a problem. Right, and that's what hurts me. And Hitenji specifically wrote to me, not Hiten Kandelwal, a very respected senior. I don't know, again, through this platform, I met him. He said, it's a lot of fights in families now. So this is the way I would say, better you can avoid friction. Just do what is known as subtle learning. Your father, your uncle is successful. Just stay back and see them in action. Of course, they are human beings. They'll also make mistakes. Then you avoid those mistakes and learn from their experiences. That's the way I would say it. And if you learn something new, good. Your energy and their experience, the energy of youngsters and the experience of elders, what an amazing combination. You saw that today, Rohan Botra and Santoshi Botra. That's it. Energy of youngster and experience of elders. That's for you, Bache, anonymous attendee. I always say this, that please don't put anonymous. I like to see names like my kid here, Rohan. I like to claim Rohan. Abhishek is my kid. So please give names, right? Don't write numbers. Then looks like kaide number 911. Acha nahi lagta hai. But have I answered this question, son? If it is yes, give yes. Abhishek is my fan. He says superb answers. Matbed and manbed. Bache, wo mera nahi hai. This rascal is again pulling my leg. This is Sumit's answer, Sumit Kabra's answer. So again, Abhishek has fired on me. He always pulls my leg. I'm going to meet him once and after the lockdown, and anybody else says something, he will say, wow. My dialogues, he doesn't say, wow. That's the sad part. Anyway, any other questions? Thank you so much. Again, there is a number. I'm Palash. Hi, Palash Bache. God bless you. Right. You are the actor saying it here. Okay. Abhishek is praising me for a change. Okay. Anybody else? Any questions? So very clear. Sunday we are going to rock. Get your wife. I like Gani's answer. Get your wife. She should know what you're doing. What is personal finance planning? She should know. Get your parents. They should know retirement planning. You should know that. This session is for y'all. And Monday we get on to building stronger balance sheets. Thank you very much, colleagues. God bless each one of y'all. You know what I'm going to do next. Have a quick dinner and see if I can get on to Telegram, because some kids are in trouble again. God bless all of y'all. Thank you very much. God bless. Thank you, ma'am. Prasad is our sponsor and he especially thanks you. As always, he keeps saying that. Shanti Miss, thank you.
Welcome. My pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you all of y'all. Thank you, Saurabh. Love you, bache. Action Shah bola bas. Mera action Shah bola to bas. Take care. Okay. Chalo. Thank you.
Good night, sir. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Thank you, all of y'all. Thank you. Ma'am, we can stop. My kids also should have dinner now. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Amolji is saying thanks to you, Shanti ma'am.
Most welcome. Thank you.